Umentri rangba ka Jalau Konrad Kes Sangma haka arpoi tri ujemmang araja arpusan haka jinglet jong u shajuai ulapen long ka jingalang bakerpang bat kinoilam ka Giant Hills Darmas District Council JHADC blayalam daw ba Tombor Shiwat u Chief Executive Member haka ba ulapen bana ban ai jingarap laipo kundai Klur shaka council ban Pynbna ya ki jing jongka haka liang ka kampisa pilain. Umentri rangba ulapen tip bakatay ka mang tingka kaday nakajing kendo jing ka JHADC hadian ka jing syakang banti daw yong hakatay ka tan bat kumta ka Sorkar kala pelat arpaw Klur menta sya ka council bat dia ka basa kat kandai Klur pat an sa pelat kam hadin. Haswa kani umentri rangba ula lejingo ya ka Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital Jowai hakaba ula ai si Klur tingka sya katay ka hospital naka scheme jang Meghalaya Healthcare Advancement Policy MHAP kabalamang ban ai si paw Klur sya santali ki not-for-profit hospitals. Hakani kasngi u Konrad ula plepat baru ya kasurok Hubert Rosario Road kapadan Hamokaswan kapay iway pon iway lai kilometer kalenter hakajing pulot kabalong iway pon kandai pulai Klur tingka.
The major issue in the JHADC is, of course, the issue of pending salaries and the overall financial stability in the JHADC as a result of, obviously, different bans on coal mining earlier, which then has taken time to now streamline. But as I said, we have now reached to the point where we have streamlined it to a large extent. But the financial impact has still been there on the JHADC and on the other district councils of the state. So those were discussed in detail. I, of course, shared with the MDCs that we have just sanctioned another 20 crores out of the dues that are there for the council. Another 19 crores is due. Hopefully, in a couple of weeks or maximum 3 weeks' time, we should be able to release that also. So that should give some stability and some kind of release the pressure of the JHADC. And in the meantime, we are also discussing with them regarding future ways and means in which we could work together to find ways to support the JHADC and the other district councils also, and also work towards reforming the councils, whether it's administratively, financially, and overall to see the overall working of the councils. So all those matters were discussed, and we will be following up this meeting by having another meeting in the next 2-3 days. Deputy CM will be meeting them, and then post that we will be meeting other at finance level and other levels to then again further discuss the matter. I hope that as we move further, we are working on a long-term solution to this problem, so that once and for all we can see some kind of financial stability in the council. But it's still in planning stage, so I'll refrain from giving details right now. Simple issue, it's very complicated, it has got huge impacts. We will see how we can address the issue, but at the end of the day we have to look at how we can create stability there in terms of finance, and with that objective we will explore all possible options.
Page bahagi Kyrshap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya Kyrshap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai khandiat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka Kyrshap plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.